Here's how to do RHETT'S poster request in Crimson Desert. If you can find RHETT'S poster right here on the notice board in Hernan Town, try to hold down E to take the quest. Once you've taken the note, you should be able to read it. Let me just hold down Control to examine it. And the details should be revealed to you. And as you can see, RHETT here is looking for someone skilled with a pickaxe, basically asking you to mine some quality ore. And the next thing that you have to do is to find RHETT at the Hernan Smithy, and he will give you the rest of the details. If you are wondering where the Hernan Smithy is, just right over the notice board, go over to your right, go to this road right here, and over here to the left, you should find RHETT right in front of you right here, this big guy right here. Alright, now use Control, and then press down E to listen to his request.
I need to go and find some.
Alright, once the conversation is done, there should be a guide for the pickaxe that's gonna pop up on your screen. Now the next thing that you have to do is to find 2 iron ores. Now let me show you where you can get that. Now where you're going to have to go to find the iron ores is over here, as you can see from the set destination that the quest placed down. So you just get on your horse and travel to here. Alright, now once you're very close to the location, as you can see, they should be right here. Do be careful because there is going to be some bleed bandits that are lying around that might attack you on sight. So just be careful. Once you're close enough to the iron ore, open up your inventory, and then hover over to the pickaxe and press space to equip it. And now go over to F2, hover your mouse over the pickaxe, and then release F2. And then just press Control and strike when the circle becomes blue. As you can see right here, just hit that, and iron ore just dropped on the floor. Let me just take them out. Hold down E, and as you can see, I've just picked up some iron ore. And once you've collected everything that you need, let's go back over to RHETT and hand in the quest. Alright, right here in front of me, there should be RHETT's assistant right here, and I can just hand over the iron ore to him.
Oh, the mineral is even better than I expected.
And that's pretty much about it on how to do RHETT's poster quest in Crimson Desert.